Cấp Lumpur. Hoàng A Là Xỉu Xịch Tiệm. Hi, this is Amy. We are now on the plane to Kuala Lumpur. Let's start our journey in Kuala Lumpur. See you there.
Sila berada di tempat duduk anda.
Remember to fill out your card, otherwise you'll be standing here to fill it out. Oh my god, there's so many baggage here already. What happened? Wow, that's a lot. We have arrived. This is our hotel. It's in a crowded area, which is nice. It's a little bit raining right now. Hi. So we have arrived to a new hotel. So once you walk in, this is the shower space. Shower space. And then this is the toilet. Toilet. And then the sink is outside. Our luggage is here. And this is our bed. Couch. TV. Hello. Hanger. It's pretty nice. So this is gonna be a room in Kuala Lumpur for the next 3 nights. Yay! We have arrived in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur. We just checked into a hotel. Oh my god, the ride from the international airport to the hotel took us like hour and a half. That was so long and so far away. But anyway, now we're gonna get ready and go outside to exchange money. And then go to Alo Street, Jalan Alo Street Food. I think I used to. Jalan Alo Street for the night market. I want chicken wings. Siu Yay. Alright, let's go out. It's only a few stops away from our hotel, and we are here in the money exchange place. Lot time. Our hotel is like right in a crowded area, because once you make a turn like that, it's a hotel. We have arrived to the Jalan Alo Street, Food Street. It seems so crowded. That's the way that they are asking people to like try their food. We're gonna see what we are able to find here. Oh, the pomegranate looks so good. Oh, we make it as juice.
Mari. Lai.
Seems like there's a lot of like restaurants. Don't really know like where we should eat for the restaurant. Hoàng A Hòa Xỉu Sịch Tiệm WAW Restaurant. I am here for the chicken wing. How can I get through? Any more seat inside? 没有位置了吗？哦，好。This is their famous chicken wing. This restaurant is famous for their chicken wing, and this is how they cook the chicken wing. There was a loud construction going on right outside of the restaurant. Let's try this lala. Let me do a voiceover for the food that we try in this restaurant. So this is lala, and which is clam. I feel like the taste of it is really nice, so I have quite a few. However, I feel like the portion is a little bit less than I expected, at least from what I see. And we ordered rice and some veggie, of course, the chicken wing. Let's try the chicken wing. The color looks pretty nice, but of course, camera first. It was better than I expected because many people say that it's not that tasty or it's not that great. But of course, it's not like amazing or wow. We also ordered the satay. Let's give it a try. Going back to the hotel. After having dinner, we went back to a hotel because I still wasn't feeling too great after the trip in Chiang Mai, and I also have a meeting at 12 a.m. So thank you all for watching today's video. I know it's not a lot, but in the next video, I feel a little bit better and I explore more of Kuala Lumpur. So hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.